Here's how you can check your car's battery health. See this video first. There are several ways to check health of your car's battery. First, check the battery's voltage using a multimeter. A fully charged battery should have a voltage of 12.6 to 12.8 volts. If the voltage is less than 12.4, the battery may be weak and in need of a replacement. Then, check the battery's terminal and cables for corrosion or damage. Clean any corrosion that is found and replace any damaged cable. Check the battery's electrolyte level. If the levels are low, add distilled water to bring them to the proper level. Have a professional test the battery's health like we're doing it right now. Many auto parts stores and car repair workshops offer this service for free. Check the battery's age. If the battery is older than 2 years, it's time to consider a replacement. It's always recommended to check the battery's health before it fails, as it can cause inconvenience and can be dangerous in certain situations. You don't want to not be able to start your car's engine when you are rushing off for work. If you find these tips helpful, share them with your friends and follow us for more.